Especially my husband, all of them want to yesterday. Put in the Bible, we see the Bible, and then I be tagging
Good God, them chatty, man.
movie.
Oh no, trust me, Zambolo will promote. Yo, at least she bought one of my movies. At least she bought one. Some people I know that kind of my shit, so they ain't buy it.
So what I do, we can do it in here. Like after you two get up and you're walking, I can just show up shop. So that way we don't show the children.
On my phone.
But if my money ask you too. You might want to ask you?
Too much.
Everybody want ice cream?
Yeah.
No ice cream?
Get water ice.
No water ice?
Yeah.
Baby.
Y'all gonna do the thing or what?
Oh.
What?
Hey, this Summer Angel feeling first lady dancehall music. Here with my handsome husband. See?
Louder.
We're on the set of The God I Trust. Coming soon. Very soon, I hope.
You gonna make me cry.
Well, you know what cards and I'll say yes.
So we're gonna do that right?
Dude, yeah, interruption from me.
Back up.
Back up, man.
Alright.
But we're just practicing our lines for the next scene. That's it.
The scene is very short. One of the first few times she actually gets to say something. But throughout the movie she's very quiet and, you know,
Dumb.
people upstairs. I wouldn't say dumb. I'll say, what's the right word for that? What's the better word for that? Retarded?
Not retarded, but then, not together. Yeah. What they have? Mango, watermelon.
Yo, get me some cherry, yo. Cherry.
Yo, pina colada.
What else? Yeah, pina
colada. Pina colada.
Excuse me. I need makeup.
You need makeup?
Yes.
Nah, that's the diva-ish part of her coming
Alright,
out.
so, I mean, what kind of makeup you use?
Mac.
Mac, how much is the Mac?
$1,000.
$1,000.
Oh shoot, please.
And I need a drop. I need my car washed. Like seriously.
I'll wash your car.
Please.
Alright.
With your hands.
With your hands.
Hey,
Get down on your knees.
I'll wear,
holy hands.
I'll wear boxers and
Get on your knees. Wash them tires properly.
And I also need a glass.
Who told you to talk?
What do you want? Everybody left.
I gotta talk. That's my sister.
Yo,
Yo, no done?
water and ice. Water and ice. Hello?
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say bye.
See you guys.
See you guys.